I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 2-pack of leather chairs. So these are a fake leather chair, but this wood, this is some solid wood, and these look so comfortable. They can hold up to 250 pounds, and this has got a nice soft cushion on it with these nice beads in the center for a nice decorative look. And they look pretty easy to put together. You've got the numbers here that you just line up to the numbers here. And then you have your hardware in here that we'll just quickly put together. So you've got your ones. We're just gonna sit this over top of the one right here. And we're gonna flip the chair over and we will screw it in. One nice feature that I just saw is that it's actually got these little felt pads that you can stick on the bottom of the legs here. And that way they will glide way nicer on your floors. All right, I've got them assembled. It really was not very much, just putting those 4 screws in the bottom. And now, since they are folding, you can just easily fold them up and carry them with you. They will also stack into each other, and that way you can easily store them if you weren't using them. But these would be really great out in a sunroom, dining room table, anywhere like that, even just as like a sitting area. So let's go out and check it out. So these would be great as an addition to your dining room table. They're very nice and soft. You can lean back. It's really comfortable to be able to lean back with these nice curved edges. I love the wood, and this cushion is just, it feels great. Or you can just use it as some extra seating in your sunroom. Look outside if you have extra guests over, maybe at a wedding or a venue, to have some nice, beautiful seats to add to your decor.